The Aioi R&D Lab, Oxford, aims to solve global-scale societal issues of today and tomorrow. The lab brings together expertise in insurance, artificial intelligence, and thought leaders from world-leading universities to create innovative research and game-changing solutions powered by AI technologies.
Quantum computation has the potential to transform the way we solve complex problems. Problems where there are many different solutions, but we don't know which one is best. Quantum computation allows us to simultaneously check through the multiplicity of possible solutions and select ones that are optimal in a way that conventional computers are just not able to do.
The project that's currently running in the lab is trying to isolate where quantum advantage is going to deliver value in the context of motor insurance and telematics data. And that could include optimizing traffic flows across multiple metrics at the same time and at the scale of populations of an entire city.
Today, we can apply AI to compute road risk profiles using historical telematics data. Tomorrow, with a quantum computer, we can do even better, drawing on more data across larger road networks at a population level and in real time. We can even consider simultaneously optimizing traffic flows against other priorities for society, such as congestion or greenhouse gas emissions. And when disaster strikes, quantum computing could help insurers and city planners coordinate swarms of drivers in real time to unblock routes and ensure massive groups of people can get where they need to be.
保険とは事故が起こった時の保証だけではなくて、現在直面しているリスク、そして将来直面するであろうリスクを正しく理解して、そのリスクに対して人々が正しく行動できるように支援することが大事となります。そのために重要なのが、世の中にあるデータを情報に、情報を知識に、そしてその知識を未来の知恵に変換していくことです。我々は AI を情報変換の原動力として、そして地球約320万種の膨大なテレマティクスデータも活用して、リスクに対応するソリューションを開発していきます。この開発において、量子コンピューティングや生成 AI といった新しいテクノロジーが、情報変換の量、スピード、多様性を劇的に向上させると信じています。
Generative AI is a methodology which learns from an incredibly large, very broad set of data, learning the relationships across disparate data domains and the concepts underneath them. One particularly important example of a generative model is the large language model.
Large language models, or LLMs, are a subset of deep learning models. They've been shown to have this amazing ability to understand human language and to generate human-like text. This includes text summarization, translation from language to language, question answering, and also text generation. The last of these has been the one that's really taken the world by storm. These models are able to kind of produce text that just sounds like it's written by a human, something that we previously thought wasn't possible. I think the reason why the insurance sector is going to be so receptive to large language models is traditionally machine learning methods have always needed structured data. In insurance, there's a huge amount of unstructured data. Claims documents, customer interaction, claims handler notes, all these things are kind of unstructured, rich text sources. With the advent of LLMs, we're finally able to tap into that unstructured data and harness all the information that's contained within it. Claims handling is one of the areas where this will have the biggest impact. The average time it takes for a handler to process a claim is 38 days, and much of this is spent reading through lengthy documents in search of a key detail. LLMs could reduce the amount of time it takes to process a claim by pointing a claims handler to a particularly relevant piece of information in the document. It can also conduct document similarity analysis that will allow users to find links between documents from unrelated claims that will improve an investigator's ability to detect fraud.
Advanced algorithms are enormously powerful, but that power must come with an equal responsibility. Our philosophy at Foundry and in the lab is to ensure that every step of an algorithm is tested, verified, and adheres to our principles of responsibility. Responsible by design. We believe this is the way to use advanced AI for the benefit of all in society.